In 2026, Yard Boss is moving to a 6-application program. I made the decision to do this based solely on agronomy. The truth of it is, our growing season is getting longer. We're having to put pre-emergence down sooner in the year because our target on that is when the ground reaches 55 degrees, we have to have the first pre-emergent round down. Grass is essentially not dormant longer and needs help. On the other side of it, we're having to push our fall fertilizer or our winterizer back even farther because we want that in the plant right as it's going dormant in late November, and then we're stretching out everything in between. By going to 6 visits, we're going to be on a very rigid 6 to 7 week schedule, and we're adding in a visit that is specifically formulated for soil health. What this is going to do is help loosen the soil, bring microbacteria into the soil that's going to help it actually work and not just be tough clay. And it's also going to be a root stimulant because we want the roots to dive deeper in there, as well as we're on the lawn for one more weed spray, being able to see the lawn during the tough times when the lawn is experiencing fungus and insect problems and things of that nature. Technicians can take a look at that and solve those problems, and they will communicate that either on the door or through the report card that they email to you, suggesting any problems that they see in their lawn. It's our goal to create the absolute best lawns in Eastern Nebraska. Our 6-application program will do exactly that.